In the cutthroat world of flagship smartphones, cooling has become just as important as power, and that's exactly where iQOO wants to dominate with its upcoming iQOO 15. This new beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and iQOO's biggest brag this year is its 8K VC Ice Dome cooling system, an enormous 8,000 mm squared vapor chamber, the largest ever on an iQOO phone. That's a 47% jump in heat dissipation, compared to last year's iQOO 13, thanks to a redesigned dual-layer graphite structure. And get this, the VC plate is over 3 times larger than the one inside Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max. But it's not just about cooling. Every iQOO 15 ships with a factory-applied anti-reflective screen protector, something no other brand offers yet, making it easier to see even in harsh sunlight. The display itself? A 2K Samsung Everest panel built on M14 luminous material, boosting luminous efficiency by 40%, with up to 6000 nits peak brightness, perfect for HDR gaming. You'll also get IP-rated waterproofing, ultrasonic fingerprint unlock, dual symmetrical speakers, and a new X-axis vibration motor for next-level haptics. The iQOO 15 launches on October 20th in China, alongside the new Q3 gaming chip, and if the specs deliver, this could be the coolest flagship gaming phone of 2025. So, what do you think? Does the cooling efficiency really matter to you when buying a new phone? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.